Hi friends, welcome to English Guru YouTube channel. Now I am going to talk over about 100 MCQ questions on English Romantic Literature. Let's start. Who wrote a dictionary of the English language? Option B, Samuel Johnson. Question number 2. Diaz wrote a philosophical inquiry into the origin of our ideas of the sublime and the beautiful. Option D, Edmund Burke. Question 3. George III ascended the throne of England in Dash. Option A 1760. Question number 4. The French Revolution began in. Question number D 1789. Question number 5. In 1819, British forces charged on a peaceful pro-democracy rally in Manchester, resulting in the Dash. Option B Peterloo Massacre. Question number 6. William Blake was born in Dash. Option A 1757. Question number 7. The Castle of Otranto was written by Dash. Option C Horace Walpole. The Castle of Otranto was written by Horace Walpole. Question number 8. The origin of Gothic fiction is attributed to Dash. Option B Horace Walpole. Question number 9. The songs of innocence and the songs of experience were written by Dash. Option D Blake. Question number 10. Which of the following has child labor as its theme? Option B Blake's The Chimney Sweeper. Blake's The Chimney Sweeper. Question number 11. Dash begins with the following famous line: The curfew tolls the knell of parting day. Dash begins with the following famous line: The curfew tolls the knell of parting day. Option D Gray's Elegy written in a country churchyard. Question number 12. The Romantic movement was a reaction against Dash. Option D The Age of Enlightenment. Question number 13. Ivanov. Ivanov was written by Dash. Option B Sir Walter Scott. Sir Walter Scott. Question number 14. William Wordsworth was born in Dash. Option B 1770. Question number 15. John Keats died in Dash. Option C 1821. Question number 16. Which of the following events triggered the French Revolution? Option A the storming of the Bastille. The storming of the Bastille. Which of the following is true about the Romantics? Which of the following is true about the Romantics? Option D. They highlighted the healing power of imagination. Question number 18. Dash wrote the Dash in 1819 as a reaction of furious outrage at the Peterloo Massacre. Option B. Shelley the Mask of Anarchy. Shelley the Mask of Anarchy. Question number 19. The Lyrical Ballads was a collaborative collection by Dash and Dash was published anonymously in Dash. Wordsworth and Coleridge in 1798. Option B. Question number 20. The Thorn and the Idiot Boy were written by Dash. The Thorn and the Idiot Boy were written by option A Wordsworth. 21. In Dash, Blake emphasizes the injustice of late 18th century society and the desperation of the poor. Option D, London. Question number 22. A walking tour of Cumbria is associated with option C, Coleridge. Question number 23. A key idea in romantic poetry is the concept of the dash, which conveys the feelings people experience when they see awesome landscapes or find themselves in extreme situations which elicit both fear and admiration. Option D, sublime. The terms primary and secondary imaginations can be attributed to dash. Option B, Coleridge. Question number 25. Who among the following is a second generation romantic? Option B, Byron. Question number 26. In the suppressed dedication to Dungeon, Byron criticized the poet laureate. Option B, Robert Southey. Question number 27. The full name of Shelley is dash. Option B, Percy Bysshe Shelley. Question number 28. The full name of S.T. Coleridge is dash. Option B, Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Question number 29. Although the Romantics stressed the importance of the individual, they also advocated a dash commitment to mankind. Dash became actively involved in the struggles for Italian nationalism and the liberation of Greece from Ottoman rule. Option D, Byron. Of whom did Lady Caroline Lamb famously declare that he was mad, bad, and dangerous to know? Option C, Byron. Question number 31. Who wrote, if poetry comes not as naturally as the leaves to a tree, it had better not come at all? Option B, Keats. Question number 32. Dash is a dismissive name for London-based romantics such as Keats, Hunt, and Shelley. The term was first used in Scatting Review in Blackwood's magazine in October 1817, in which the anonymous reviewer mocked the writer's lack of pedigree and sophistication. Option D, Cockney School of Poets. Question number 33. Dash was sent down from Oxford for advocating atheism. Option B, Shelley. Question number 34. Dash wrote the Chimney Sweeper's Complaint. Option B, Mary Alcock. Question number 35. The Raleigh poems are associated with dash. Thomas Chatterton. Question number 36. Emile was penned by? Option D, Rousseau. Question number 37. Rousseau wrote dash. Option D, Social Contract. Question number 38. Dash wrote Critique of Pure Reason. Option C, Immanuel Kant. Question number 39. Who among the following retold the plays of Shakespeare in prose for a younger audience? Option B, Charles and Mary Lamb. Question number 40. In 1784, the Pitt's India Act, option C, restricted the autonomy of the East India Company. Question number 41. Dash marked the centenary of the Glorious Revolution. Option D, 1788. Question number 42. Dash wrote the Book of Dale. Option B, William Blake. Question number 43. The Marriage of Heaven and Hell was written by William Blake. Option A. Question number 44. A Vindication of the Rights of Men was written by Dash and was published in Dash. Option A, Mary Wollstonecraft in 1790. Mary Wollstonecraft in 1790. Question number 45. The narrative poem Tam O'Shanter was written by option B. Robert Burns. Question number 46. In the Rights of Man, Dash explored the idea that government based on true justice should support not only mankind's natural rights, life, liberty, free speech, freedom of conscience, but also its civil rights relating to security and protection. Option D. Thomas Paine. Question number 47. Dash marked the trial and execution of Louis XVI and Mary Antoinette. Option B. 1793. Question number 48. Dash was associated with the Reign of Terror in France and is an influential figure of the French Revolution. Option B. Robespierre. Question number 49. Keats dedicated his Endymion to the memory of option D. Thomas Chatterton. Question number 50. The line "A thing of beauty is a joy forever" is associated with option A. Keats. Question number 51. Dash wrote Monody on the death of Chatterton. Option B. Coleridge. Question number 52. Shelley wrote Dash in 1821 to commemorate the death of Keats. Option D. Adonis. Option D. Adonis. Question number 53. Dash wrote an essay on the principle of population. Option D. Thomas Malthus. Question number 54. The prelude was written by Dash. Option D. Wordsworth. Question number 55. Keats wrote the Great Odes in Dash 1819. Question number 56. Dejection, an ode, was written by option B. Coleridge. Question number 57. Ode on Melancholy was written by option A. Keats. Question number 58. Odd Intimations of Immortality was written by option C. Wordsworth. Question number 59. Who among the following is not a lake poet or a laker? Option D. Keats. Keats is not a lake poet. Question number 60. Dash wrote on the necessity of atheism. Option B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley. Percy Bysshe Shelley. Question number 61. Dash wrote Childe Harold's Pilgrimage. Option C. Byron. Question number 62. The Battle of Waterloo was fought in Dash. Option C. 1815. Question number 63. The Blackwood's magazine was founded in Dash 1817. Option D. Question number 64. The Biographia Literaria was published by Dash in Dash. Was published by Coleridge in 1817. Question number 65. Which of the following is subtitled The Modern Prometheus? Option D. Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. Question number 66. Frankenstein was published in Dash. Option D. 1818. Question number 67. Confessions of an English Opium Eater was authored by Dash. Option A. Thomas De Quincey. Question number 68. Who used the pseudonym Elia? Option B. Charles Lamb. Question number 69. The first Reform Act was passed in Dash. Option D. 1832. Question number 70. Sir Walter Scott authored all except dash. Option D. Dracula. Question number 71. Which of the following iconic artworks famously embodies the spirit of romanticism? Option C. Caspar David Friedrich's Wanderer Law Above the Sea of Fog. Caspar David Friedrich's Wanderer Above the Sea of Fog. Question number 72. The Waverley novels are associated with dash. Option A. Sir Walter Scott. Question number 73. Scott published The Heart of the Mid-Lothian in dash. Option A. 1818. Question number 74. Who asserted man is born free but he is everywhere in chains? Option D. Rousseau. Question number 75. Dash maintained that poetry should be composed in the language really spoken by men. Option C. Wordsworth. Frost at Midnight was written by dash. Option B. Coleridge. Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Question number 77. The sorrows of young Werther had a profound impact on the romantic movement. It was written by option C. Goethe. Question number 78. The romantic poets beloved dash. Option C. Nature. Question number 79. The Gothic novel was characterized by dash. Option D. Supernatural phenomenon. Question number 80. Blake wrote all except dash. Christabel. Blake wrote the Book of Origin, Daughters of Albion, and Jerusalem, but he had not written Christabel. Next one. 81. Which of the following literary work can be described as Gothic? Option B. Beckford's Vathek. Question number 82. Reveries of a Solitary Walker was written by option A. Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Question number 83. They are specialized in the Hobgoblin romance. Option C. Anne Radcliffe. Anne Radcliffe. Question number 84. The Byronic hero was a dash. Option D. Dark, brooding, solitary wanderer. Option D. Dark, brooding, solitary wanderer. Question number 85. The Byronic hero influenced dash. Option B. Emily Brandt's portrayal of Heathcliff. Question number 86. Dash asserted without contraries is no progression. Option B. Blake. Question number 87. Blake's dash includes references to Milton and Paradise Lost, and the book ends with a song of liberty which calls for revolt against the tyrannies of church and state. Option D. The marriage of heaven and hell. Question number 88. The term negative capability is associated with dash. Option D. John Keats. Question number 89. The phrase willing suspension of disbelief is associated with dash. Option D. Coleridge. Question number 90. Beauty is truth, truth beauty, that is all you know on earth and all you need to know. The above lines are accepted from a poem by option C. Keats. Question number 91. The Romantic stressed the importance of dash. Option D. The individual. Question number 92. The combination of Act of 1799. Option D. Forbade trade unions. Question number 93. The prelude was published. Option A. 1858. Question number 94. The Mysteries of Adolfo is a dash. The Mysteries of Adolfo is a dash. Option B, Gothic novel. Question number 95. The anti-Catholic Gordon riots erupted in Great Britain in dash 1780. Question number 96. Dash wrote The Wealth of Nations. Option A, Adam Smith. Question number 97. The Spin Hamland system was established in dash to alleviate rural poverty through wage normalization. Option D, 1795. Dash was the first volume of poetry published by Lord Byron in 1807. Option C, Hours of Idleness. Question number 99. Dash wrote the Phenomenology of the Spirit. Option D, Hegel. And the last one, my lovable students, my amiable friends. English Birds and Scotch Reviewers was written by option B, Byron. My lovable students, my amiable students. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this English Guru YouTube channel to brush up your knowledge on English grammatical points along with